Wait, we're missing one again. What the fuck happened?
What?
Did anyone leave or am I high? Oh no, Sheen
I
is not
think I guess
here.
So guys, always high, boys.
I think I'm high.
yeah, nothing's new.
From southeast. Southwest rather. Princeton, umalis na kami ah.
Nauna pa nga ako sa inyo eh. Nasa Robin na.
Sige. By the way, driver. Whenever we're engaging, try to look for range def tanks, okay? Mga 100 arcane, but
Aware na.
just
Driver.
yes, enemy. You GA them, okay? When we're engaging, just to be safe. You can just chill up front actually. Try not to die. But whenever we're engaging, you need to find them or just make sure you're stopping them. Southeast here.
If you see the guys with short, just GA it.
Fuck
What the
you.
fuck
Simple
is
as that.
that?
Rookie and Trail, you guys good?
I roll it without it.
Sa unahan ako. I'm waiting.
Bakit gano'n na rookie? Pag sa main
Sige,
circuit, di ka naglalag.
Let me know.
We are in incline.
Sa major?
Avalanche incline right now.
Hindi mo ako nag-major.
Oh,
Dito.
si Salay.
Ito?
Okay ah.
Look at that. Mitsuki is in a party. Meron ba, be? Well,
God bless. I'm lagging.
Trail,
Good luck
where are
to
you?
you, sir.
Yo, Royal Jackets, remind you, shotty, take control, okay?
Yes.
Do not pop it at the same time, boys. And also wait for me for the Royal Jackets. If you don't read healers, you don't need the Royal Jackets, okay? The other healers, rather. Don't need to stack on it.
Healer. The people?
Tangina. Gulo? Tangina, aga. Motherfuckers, man.
Napapa-English ka tuloy.
Tangina nyo. Tangina nyo.
Wala
Wala
talaga
yan.
mati. Wala talaga
Yung healer
matanong
ka,
sa
pero
grupo na
ano?
to, boy.
Wala nga eh.
Healer pangalan mo, tapos TPS ka, no? Nice.
Sige, website.
We are in incline.
Lilito mo lang,
Nililito nga ako rito
Holding
pag
southeast.
Hitin natin
Dapat
to.
nag-healer ka na lang.
Pangalan ko.
Ano to?
Healers.
Dito na pala yung
Healer.
plug eh.
Dito na nga yung plug. Nasa passage ka sila eh.
Passage.
Sure. Okay, I was muted by the way. Fuck my life.
We're waiting any... Oh. Zone southeast. Stick with me, okay? Camera.
Ayos
So,
na
Barbie
lang
again?
Chili's eh. Ito na si
Chili's is
CJ.
here.
Chili's is here. It's okay. Just
Chili's
stick
block.
with me. We're baiting them towards us. We're gonna... Hopefully they fight us in the northwest. If they're
Shorty,
together.
Shorty,
But they're not regrouped yet. Yo, nigga, southwest, come to me. Ito na nga, nagsimula na. Poking ina nyo. Wake up. Chill. We are in Verge. Razor Rock Verge. Chill here.
Birds, okay.
Okay, so... We are most likely gonna...
Naglalago.
We're most likely gonna
Wala
die first
lang yun.
engage if we do fight here, though. I feel like...
Yeah.
Come Northwest Gate.
Nah, don't even put that energy out there.
Mm-hmm.
Sheesh.
I feel like playing aggro because I see Chili's, man.
We kill 20.
Maybe.
We kill all, not 20. What the fuck?
Yeah.
20.
Assuming we get a
Okay.
fight. Because I feel like Maverick's just baiting them out. I feel like they won't take this bait, bro. Because after that, they're just gonna FF. No?
Maybe.
If we don't decide to fight, they're just gonna FF.
Yep.
Oh, they're coming. Hold. Stuck with me, please. Stuck with me. Stop AFKing, okay? Stop AFKing. Don't get caught. If you get caught, you're gay.
Pride man.
Get ready to zone northwest. Get ready to zone northwest. Who's
Ready lang.
AFK? You
Don't
guys-
zone. Don't zone.
Yeah,
Wait.
do not zone. Do not zone. Just hold.
Q is
What if
up,
they
okay?
come?
So be careful. Be careful on the gate.
1-4, 1-4. Spread. Keep your gallops on. Keep your gallops on. Just keep your gallops on.
Numlock.
Enemy 49 day. Oh my god, we're gonna hurt like hell, Mo.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Holy fuck. Trail, we are still in Verge holding northwest, okay? We're
Yeah,
trying
I'm
to
like-
bait them to us. We're trying to bait them to us, so we zone northwest. Uh-huh.
That's Stellar.
There's
That's
someone
Stellar.
zone-
They have shield.
Block din yun block. Nag-zone in.
This is...
What the fuck? They have fucking Kango.
It's fine. Just come.
What do you mean come? Neptune? Is Neptune in the party? In the comms? I think not, right?
Wala siya sa
Zone
comms natin.
northwest. He said zone northwest.
Wait,
Don't
Neptune
get
is
caught,
fighting here. Can you zone him?
Zone.
Can you
Just
zone him?
just zone out.
Yeah, we're zoning.
Zone out to incline.
Which side is he? Where is he?
God
He's in the middle, getting raped.
Okay. Getting ready.
Oh, he died.
Real?
Yeah, he died.
Too late.
Tayo nga.
Unlucky.
Si God Neptune nasa main com siya, pero wala siya dito.
Oh,
Oh,
feel
namatay
from feel for the lang Q. Yeah, just stay mounted for now. Keep your gallops on this. They might zone, okay? They might zone. Yeah, mount up. Keep your gallops
Di
on.
ata
Just
yun
keep your
makabalik.
gallops on. Come
Makabalik ba yun?
northwest. Come northwest. Nadal, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Gotcha. I think we're
Tinay
going to
ko
the Terry side.
Sige. Tinay ko mag-Q, pero naka-zone ako. Okay lang.
Mm. Nandun na sila lahat, di ba?
Andun
Zergs.
na sila.
Right.
Yung
Gotcha.
So good.
Ay.
Trash talk.
Yes, sir.
Doggy Fafa.
Why?
I'm bored. You do it. I'll take over.
Elder sheep. Trail, I hope you don't die, man.
No,
Change
I'll
your
be
roller
fine.
trail. Change your roller trail. So I don't get confused.
Yeah. Okay.
Yo, full lag check ready. Full lag check. Full lag check. Smile me. Yo, on the heart. Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop piece on the heart. Good enough. Yeah, where's Pillowcake?
He should be
AFK na
here.
si Pillowcake, no?
Mukhang. Oh, wala siya sa comms eh. We got 4 BS.
I think we're the only range, right? Or is inner's range?
Nandito si Wonder
Si
5.
Duyan nandito.
I got you.
Range din nata si Wonder.
Sino?
Block 200,
Wonder
Chili's 120.
Sino Wonder yan?
Ewan ko, Wonder 5 yung idea niya dito sa Discord eh.
Akala ko yung Wonder na ano talaga.
Underwoman.
Come northeast gate. Come northeast and hold northeast gate. I think we should try defending Hollow. Surely they come Hollow, right? Actually, just zone northeast, zone of contact. Fuck it, I'm closing everything. Make your way southeast here. Southeast in Vale.
Okay.
Watch out.
Yeah. I went to get a coffee.
Okay.
And then now I'm all alone here.
Neptune just switched to Galas, bro.
Oh, really?
Jesus Christ.
Womp womp.
Hold
Okay,
southeast.
Neptune, I have a proposition. We trade sets.
Oh, we're going hollow. We're going hollow.
Is he even here? I don't think he's in our pause.
No, he's not. I just asked for someone.
He's in main Discord, but not here.
Those fortresses are the dead.
Oh my god.
Zone. Regroup on hollow Terry. Hollow Terry. What are the odds of us getting queued out, man?
50%.
60s.
Depends how many people have premium.
I have premium.
Fucking Flexstar.
Really?
That's why I don't get 3 gears.
No, that's not because you don't get triggers. It's because you don't know how to fucking follow the system, you dog.
Yes, true. I agree.
Look at
Fill
this
out the
guy.
Google
Works
Forms,
for Indian and still shit.
Of course.
Wait, are you still working for them, Sudha?
Nah.
You quit? You quit?
I'm just jumping ships right now, man.
Wait, I thought. Dude, I thought
Yeah,
you were
I
gonna
finished my
hook up
contract.
with that Punjabi girl though. Shit, man.
Fuck off, man. You hold southeast.
She was hot though.
No, bro.
You were the one who taught me if there's a hole, there's a goal.
Fuck off, zone. I hope Maverick has a scout, bro. That is a big ass blob, sir.
And you guys need to know the funny thing about Suga, you know?
Just regroup on me. Just regroup on me.
Please, so and so. Please, please don't be clustered already. Okay.
Trailblazer.
I'm in the zone. I'm in the zone.
Oh, they're going to the Terry. Come to me, regroup on me. Minus tempo. Oh, okay. Smoke, you see me. Yo, this Terry has no walls, bro. Come back. Mount up again. Come northwest. Come northwest more. Ano yung nangyari dyan, Princeton?
Dismounted. Kinatch nila.
People are caught from us?
We're dismounting them.
Okay. Come northwest. We're going northwest, Princeton. Yeah, Tekashin. Full running pa eh. Careful, don't get dismounted.
Kaching sila.
Yeah. Don't get dismounted. Yo, bomb on the east side. Full regroup northwest. Yo, just keep going.
Keep moving. It's just tanks, okay?
Okay. Zone
Walang
northwest.
DPS yan. Just keep moving.
Just zone northwest. Regroup on the Terry and Hollow.
That guy is dead again.
Wait,
Oh.
Natal?
Who? Neptune?
No, he survived.
Neptune is dead.
He survived.
He's alive.
He's alive.
This is second life. No, actually third
Regroup on
life. He almost died again.
Lucky guy.
God bless.
Regroup on me.
Everybody good?
Regroup on me.
Okay.
Should be good.
Si
Princeton.
Neptune lang. Nabuhay pa.
Yeah, we good.
So
Sayang.
shield this until. Oh my god, the shield is so
Terry.
long.
Near Terian.
Yo, boys, regroup on me. Hello? I see a DPS northeast. What the fuck? Tangina, ang layo pala ng shield.
Who's playing Parma?
Layo. Abot dito.
Forcing playing Perma. Trail.
Okay.
Joker is not right.
Joker snap.
Double check ko lang.
Griffin Bomb Squad nasa nasa northwest.
Oh, what bomb though?
Northwest.
Northwest? Okay.
Griffin bomb squad.
Cheetah?
No, not cheater.
Malayo naman
Come
sila.
northwest.
Okay lang yan.
Come northwest.
Dismounted sila in case na makaught up kayo.
I get you. Let's regroup on me first.
Like
So
parang
shield is
northwest
until
natin.
here,
No?
right? Most likely. Just stuck on me and keep your mounts ready. Stuck on me and be dismounted. But stuck on me, be dismounted. Mounts ready.
Pa-clear ng mobs. Mawawala
Oh,
yung...
there's still shield here, bro.
Yup.
Come here, Westmore. On top, come here, Westmore.
Let's dismount behind Maverick.
Yeah. Clear mobs,
You're right.
DPS, clear mobs.
Wow, that's a nice
Dismount.
GA, by the way.
Tapos na yung people.
Join Shin, join. We're in Hollow, okay?
Let me keep up my stacks. I need my stacks.
Hanggang anong oras yung pwedeng launch?
1 hour.
40, di ba?
1 hour. 17. Hanggang isang 7.
Literal 17.
Oo. Pero pag
Y- y-
nag-fail na ng lunch hanggang 30 minutes, wala na.
Come on.
Solid, walang castle.
Wala magandang spawn, no?
Puro green. Sync, SFC, green. SSR, wala. Walang castle.
Wait, Jenny is
40 na
calling
talaga.
today, not 09?
Yes.
Not simping today? Ask him.
Naman. I'm chill
Come
with
on.
Jenny.
Come on, man.
09 is offline taking a break.
Yeah, she should.
What the fuck?
Rel is nice guy, you know.
May info ka na dal kung pupunta yan sa atin.
May nag-zone na.
Trail can only simp
Wala
at
eh,
one
wala
woman
pa.
at a time, you know. I'm simping for the Viet girl right now.
Tangina, baka i-GA mo to pag maganda to, ano Apology,
Apology. Pwede ko ba sumilip
Tangina.
dito konti? Konti lang.
Pasilip
Silip
na
pa lang
Sotis.
konti.
Pasilip.
Silip lang. Just in case. Ito lang. Sa dulo lang ng blob natin.
May nag-zone.
Southeast.
Oh, tangina, wag. Mount up and come northwest na to.
Mantap.
Come northwest.
Sayang. May nag-zone
I was
kasi.
ready to
Baka
hit,
pwede
by the way.
natin hit eh.
Oh, here? What's happening? Hey, baby, what's happening?
Pwede tayo dito sa Guyo.
Okay, dito. So, I don't know what's happening right now. Are they coming? Anong info mo dyan, Shotty?
Wala pa.
Shorty, TT them.
Stuck on me in this month.
Dismount and stack on you. Okay. That's
Yo,
a shit.
that's a bomb.
Yeah.
Don't stack. Nag-inbi
Cancel stacking. Cancel stacking. Just
No,
one
he
top,
won't
one
have
top.
the speed. Come on.
I don't want to risk it.
Come on, me.
We are kind of retarded, you know that, right?
Hindi behind us.
Naka-BL yun eh.
Don't worry.
Hindi
I'll
BL
survive.
yun.
We are kind of retarded as a group. You know?
I survive. Trail the survivor.
Fury yung nag-inbi sa task natin.
If I die, Shorty is gay.
Fuck you.
That's what I told you, know. You're gay.
Ela, sana ma-dismount ka. Ay, sorry. Gusto mo ng manok, ah.
So technically, if I play it right, I can steal all of your kills. Okay,
Don't
Yes.
kill select them, man. What the fuck, man?
Don't
I will
do
do
that.
it. You know, I'm doing it.
Just follow Maverick for now.
Go, 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 go.
Oh.
Trail the kill stealer. Jin 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 jin. Jin 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 jin.
Shadow Mizuki.
I'm here, beside you.
Inside you?
I'm inside you, bro.
Doing
Bitch.
that.
What's up ka, Sugoy?
Mizuki.
You go, knowledge. Saan yung knowledge?
Ito,
Come.
Sotos.
Come sa us.
Where are we going? To the
Come to
turret?
me, come to me.
Knowledge,
Come to me.
With the show.
Here.
We are here.
Ah.
So if they come, we run to the Terry. Can we lag check this guy if he's AFK?
Sure.
Okay, he's not AFK. Just talk with me.
Gantong-ganto tayo namatay sa Subotay, ah.
Sir, wag. Sir, don't jinx it, sir. Don't.
Wag mo yung jinx, gagi.
By the way, Princeton at Apology, check the southeast gate. Let me know if they're which side they're running to. Enemy zone. Yeah, of course. Enemy, nigga. Enemy, nigga.
GE bomb here.
Where?
East side. East. On ping. Ito
May
yung
left dismounted, ah.
bridal bomb. Going east.
Rote,
going
occult
southeast.
ka namin, ah.
Yes. Oo nga pala.
Sabi na kung mag-zone sila, ganun. Tapos sundan mo. Sino yung blob dyan?
Yes.
Oh! Okay.
Ganyan kalaki?
One shot natin.
Vicious. Don't sleep yet.
Sila Inka yun. Yung ano,
Yo, catch
Blender
at
Cup.
least 5. Catch him. 4. 3. Perma. Catch. Catch. Oh, he cleric.
Uy,
panic.
cleric.
He panic. Yo, DPSs. 3. Yo, catch. Jacket. CD ready. Full lag check after this, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lag check. Sure, that's ours, man. Ain't no way, man. Nice.
Oh.
Solid mo racing, ha? Iba yung nabinim mo.
Oh.
Ouch.
I'm gonna waste this.
Come.
No, nakit.
Sige lang.
Sabi, tatlo healer
Maverick, I
natin,
stay here or I join you?
I need you, Sugoi. Come inside.
Come to this. Sunod tayo sa Zerg.
Don't stack gate. May bridal bomb.
I'm still in hollow, okay? Careful
He's
on
holding
bridal bomb. Zone. Oh my god,
Oh
he said
my
zone
God.
back. Are we fucked?
Wait, we
Oh,
still
we're
have
not,
bubbles.
we're not, we're
Don't worry.
not. Try to go zone back, boys. Send back, boys. Tapos nag-Q, no?
Wala tayong bubble dito. Pag kumabante yung bridal bomb, patay tayo.
Stay from the fucking
Yeah.
gate, boys. Stay from the fucking gate.
Let's come west.
Yeah, may
Come back
bubble
west.
pa.
Tayo na, mag-terrain lang tayo muna. Fuck that.
Oo nga, wala naman tayo magagawa kung maging open fight
Dito na
yan
lang tayo.
Ito yung bridal, oh.
But scout for me, Apology. Black moving northwest. I'm here, okay, Maverick? Behind me. Dismount on me. Yo, eyes open for what you call this? Bombs. They're coming northwest. Princeton, tulungan mo kaya mag-scout on Princeton. Baka may opportunity mamimiss.
Tayo naman naka-sweep claw ka na naman.
Okay.
Bridal bomb na.
TikTok lang
Bridal
ako
nasa
dito.
sides natin ah.
So,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
shopping
West natin.
Pag namatay tayo, masaya tayo, di ba?
Nag-ingbi at.
Yes, sir.
Hindi pa.
No,
hindi pa.
they're not. They're in Druid. Shit.
You guys have ROPs, boys, and Immortalhood.
Yeah,
I
poor
don't
Chris.
Sinusunod ni Yusen.
Baka dalhin ka sa ibang bridal bomb.
Yun lang. They're holding Northwest, boys.
Tayo, nagdodrop IP. Mamamatay ata si Sugoy.
Trail. What the fuck?
Nanood muna ako. Wala pa naman kalaban.
May info kayo sa Chili's.
Ay, mag-reply.
Gusto niya nang palagan yung plug. Wala.
Liat.
Teka, tanungin ko sila Inka.
Si Gaslig, tanungin niyo.
Fucking kill me, man. Come on, man. Why is this shit like this?
Ryuge.
Gusto niya nang palagan lahat. No?
Sila siya,
Ha?
shopping. Nag-inbi patos na.
Okay. Pwede ba natin yung unahan? Pwede natin unahan? Go pa, Mary. Pwede natin unahan?
And then nag-mount up ulit sila. Kinancel nila.
Okay. Ayun na, baka madali ka dyan sa ano ah. Hindi, si Yuzen.
Alan, pag nadali, pwede na matulog.
Bang.
Sabagay. Ching chong.
Boss, kakampi oh.
Huh?
Chili's going Gulch.
Chili's going where?
Going Gulch.
Gulch?
Nasa bank sila kanina. Ngayon nasa Gulch na.
Nalapitan kayo ng Griffin Pwede niya hulihin.
Wait, pagbalik nun. Bossing, rekta lang huli. Maverick, check them.
Nag-iintayan lang daw yung search natin. Naantay din.
Andito yung yung Griffin Caller.
Saan?
Sa may spider dito. Ay, may kasama palang healer.
Ingay ni O9, putang.
Mute mo kasi. Minute ko nga sa akin eh.
Ganda ng boses eh.
Focus, Sugoy, focus.
Wala pa kalaban ng
Okay, hintayan tayo.
Nakatulad yung Griffin dito sa Northwest.
Dismounted?
Yung iba dismounted, yung iba naka-mount up.
Sige, come to me. Papunta dito?
Ito, Sugoy ah.
Hindi,
Oh,
nakahuli
ito-
lang sila sa Northwest.
Clear mobs nga lang.
Clear
is
mobs, clear
first.
mobs. Uy,
Uy, gago. Yan ang boring ang puta. Ay, sorry.
Mm.
Ang ina. They wait for us to demas, bro. So what now?
Laging info daw sa
palagan niya na ata ito, boy. Ganun din eh.
Masyadong malapit
Gulch.
yung Chili's eh. Pagpapalagan niya yung plug eh.
Gulch.
Kasi nakatunga nga tayong
Ay,
lahat.
malayo. Malayo yung Gulch. Pwede na.
Layo na yun. Gulch.
Pwede na.
So,
Boss.
lang map siya, no?
Open world na boss. Pwede to boss.
Sabihan mo na kasi.
Kung magalatin par.
They have a skip from Gulch, right? From Gulch to Chasm.
Awesome.
Oh, they can. True.
Kaya nila. Ah?
Ayun, kung di lang yan rank 1, no, nauulo lang yung mga tao niya.
Malayo pa rin naman eh kung lalabas sila ng Chasam.
Ah.
Kaso baka tumagal yung fight nga pala.
I mean, Nadal, sabihan mo, one set.
Oo. Kasi nakaganto lang tayo.
Sabihan mo, one set. Sabihan ko din.
Where the fuck is the fight, man? Holy fucking shit.
Nag-aantay lang din daw sila eh. Patience.
Sayang lang eh.
Oh, how did you kidnap
Yung
Nadal?
Chilis. Nag-aantay yung Chilis. Nantay yung...
What, Rel?
How did you kidnap Nadal to joining us as fucking Oathkeeper?
He's a Chad, man.
Wow. Sugoi send you feed pic as well. GG.
Bro, I'm just chilling, bro.
Wow. You should ask Sugoi for his feed pic. You can see the big foot.
Nah, no need, bro. I have a wife.
Wow.
What the fuck?
Wow, you rejected Sugoi. Wow. Sugoi's
Man, ang ina, di na kaya. Shotty, take over saglit. Pakinggan mo lang muna. Teka, sige, just chill there.
He already has a
Yeah.
lot of people waiting in line for his feet pics,
2
bro.
minutes. 1 minute.
Yeah, man.
Utan, dami niyan na dyan sa loob. Diyan na lang din kami.
Oo nga. Sura, doon lahat. Spak lang.
One set, please.
Nasa cob shop ka ba, jeepney driver?
Ano yan?
Nasa com shop ka ba, jeepney driver?
Tapos na daw magbiyahe eh.
Naka-boundary ka naman na ngayon, ha?
Boundary na.
One top, everyone.
What's happening? Hello? Take you? He said take you?
Yes. Mount up, take you.
Where is he?
You said
Come
mount up,
Southeast.
then take you.
Let's fucking go.
Please, one set. Kahit one set. Mount up, take you. HO South, main road. What?
Come back. Ano? Main road. What the fuck? Take you where?
Uh,
I think it's allies
okay,
taking the kill, man,
53
not
pa tayo
us.
ngayon. 53 pa tayo ngayon sa mapa.
Tangina, solid. Nice zone, guys.
Puzo.
Anong queue? Wala man lang queue dito. Saan ka
Sabi niya
take
take you. Take you rin yung narinig ko, boy. Sugoy, parehas kami na narinig. Take.
Walang tao dito.
Maverick is here. Maverick still here.
Shorty scammer.
Niga. It's Maverick was talking. Let's go. Dali mo yung bayag mo.
Trailblazer.
Come on, man. Give me a fight, man. Oh, shit.
Come southeast here.
Yes.
Okay. Come southeast.
Na demonyo.
Ayan.
Yo, don't be AFK, okay? We waited all this time. Don't just die. Don't just get ganked here, man.
Yeah, lock in, boys. Lock in.
Yo, who the fuck's Northwest AFK? Stop AFK.
Who's that yellow dot, bro?
If you're gonna die to gankers, you're... What the fuck? Zone.
Zone.
They're still in the Terry, by the way.
Yeah. I think we are in the clear. Chili's is not here.
Yeah, we need to kill quick.
This is... Yo, minus tempo from the front. Minus tempo from the front.
Good luck,
Find me,
guys.
find me.
Good luck.
Wait, they're
Yo,
coming
don't
towards us. They're coming towards us.
Come
Sugoi.
come back a bit. Come back a bit. Chill here.
Tapos ko yung episode.
Come. Wait. Chill. Stay mounted for now, okay? Stay mounted for now. Chill.
Naka-dual monitor ka ba, Sugoy?
Yes, sir.
Sige, minsan mag-stream ako sa'yo.
I got you.
36 lang inside Terry.
36. What is he waiting for?
Mm.
Yo, boys, don't fuck up the real jackets, okay? We need
Approaching-
to have 2 CDs every time. Dismount me. Walk with me. Stack on me.
3 screens.
Okay, first foot,
Yes.
pop your first foot.
Still mounted. Andito sila
There's
mismo
a
sa dot
fucking
ko.
beetle here, man.
Oh, that beetle can fucking wipe us.
Yes, okay, Mavericks clear it. Stack on me, okay? Just stack on me. They're in the Terry, right?
Heavily
Yeah.
Knight yung yung scout
Come,
tong Rainmaker.
I got you. Just walk with me. Walk south now. Chill here.
2 screens.
Okay. Clear mobs while we're waiting. They're inside, right? No shield. No, this Terry has no walls, right?
Nasa sila, mage room.
May malis na.
Okay.
Nablab.
Come to me. Walk. Stack on
Ante,
me.
mga scout lang siguro unahin mo.
Sige lang. Just walk with me. And wait. Walk with me, wait. Walk. Come south here and chill. Yo, east over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East over the wall. Caution. Come back. First jacket.
Jacket on me.
Go down.
Walk south with the jacket. Walk south with the jacket. Second jacket now.
Second jacket me.
Yo, hello,
Oh,
niggas.
inang yan.
Come southeast. You stack on the ground. Come east here.
Racing ba dapat?
Too far sila, too far.
Ba ako?
Too far?
Walang tao.
Third jacket ka, burat.
Kaya
For northeast or maybe pulling out?
Kanina pa ako nagtatype.
What the fuck?
Clear comes.
Come northwest.
I think they're pulling.
We did not OC, right? Only first foot, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Stuck on me here first. What the hell?
Can you use in WCS mo?
Mount up.
Never mind.
Come to the static south. Oh dear God. I don't like this, sir. I come back.
Now they are waiting for Chili's.
Oh, wait,
Why don't
what?
we just take this Terry?
Come southeast.
Check party chat, Rocky. Okay na?
Level 30.
I got you.
Ano ba?
I think they're running to pluck.
Voice fight ka to. Dito sa magda.
Come back now.
Wag, Princeton.
Princeton.
Nag-zone na sila. Natakot na.
Eh,
Buti na lang. Tayo na hinit ko na sila din eh.
I think they're just gonna let the launch happen, man. I feel like that's the... Jesus Christ.
We did not get any of the Terrys that we launched yesterday, right? It's gonna happen again and again.
Okay.
Like, what's the
Yeah,
point of launching?
dismount me. Yo, the mob 5 on the mob 4, 3, 2. Kiss mob. Kiss on the mobs inside jacket. Warm up with the jackets, please. Kiss on the base here.
Second jacket.
East guards in 5. East guards in 4, 3, 2, 1. East guards are now.
Third jacket, Rocky.
Come back with the Zerg. Just come back with the Zerg. Saan yung Chili's ngayon?
Wala bang update?
Fourth jacket racing.
Boys, when you're in range, don't wait for me to call out the direction. Just follow me instant. We can play compact.
Trailblazer.
Pag nabatumag po yung third.
Ang nakala ko alarm ko na. Hindi na nagre-reply information. Format pa.
Surely they should try to fight, man. Puking ina nyo.
Where?
Nagulat
Ay,
ako,
putang
puking ina
ina.
nyo. Tangina.
Sandwich.
Tangina.
Siyempre, adisto ako, di ba? Puta na.
Yo, Ma'am Sotis. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ma'am Sotis.
Naka-ready na yung demon ko eh, puta.
Tangina, wait. Kahit ako nagulat ako, puking. Bobo Prince. Tangina. Dali yan, boys. Tangina, paano to? What now? Oh, he needs to launch PSD,
Wala na.
boy. PSD dapat, boy. PSD.
Oo nga eh.
Ano to?
So, ipapadala na naman sa atin yan.
Sugoy, kanyo
Oy,
yan.
fuck off.
Griffin lang yun, boy.
Fuck that energy, bro.
Yung malapit na yung giveaway ni Knowles. Ang mamot.
Puta, mamot yan, boy.
Nag-upgrade eh. Grabing
Ang mamot yan, boy. Giveaway, one mamot.
We're going static side.
Pupunta
PSD
natin
ata to.
sila.
Masterpiece item, naging mamot eh.
Mamot masterpiece.
Ayan, ano masterpiece yan? Tier 3
Mamot.
masterpiece.
Mystery.
Mamot yan, mamot.
Mamot yan eh. Nakalagay, mamot. May picture pa ng mamot.
Hold static entrance.
Parang napapalaban na si ano,
Jenny.
Jenny.
Feel ko nga din eh. Wait for Maverick and we zone. Yo, who's AFK? Zone.
Kalaban na JJ, small scale lang din.
Malaban na si Jenny. Ha?
May ka-FF sila.
Pass through. Real fight now. Pass through. Yo, boost us.
Nag-hold na ako.
Noise. Blit. See ya, nerds. Help each other.
Careful behind.
If you're gonna get downed, you're gay.
Nag-clamp pa si Maverick dun.
Yo, itong mob nga. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mob. Pass through. Okay. So Jenny is the bait. That's not.
They're
On top.
dying.
Oh yeah, they are fighting. Come on, Wes.
They're winning. Oh my
Oh.
god.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Pagdating
Yeah.
natin doon, tapos na.
Full run nata yan, boss.
Uy, nakapatay
Uy,
pa sila.
Please i-wipe nyo. Para may laban pa kami. Para may gana pa yung Griffin na lalaban. Sige na. Southwest side.
Okay.
Yo, noob trap. Hello? Nigga.
Oh, baka bumalik ng hideout yan. Southwest side tayo.
Gotcha. Di, in
Pero
combat
lang
sila.
yan. Ano yun?
Oh.
May outlaw.
In combat, outlaw.
Hug yan, hug.
Pupunta sana si Daddy Pluck, no? Uy, oo.
Ay
Please.
ka naman si Lee.
Wala na.
Intro.
Nasa, mounted na. Pumasok sa loob.
Fine.
Kill this.
Yo, northwest over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest over the wall.
Dami nila. Nice,
Good
nice.
shit, good shit, good shit. Come back, 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 come back,
Dakatan
come
me.
back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Come
Popping
sa
second.
Yo, I think they're gonna run southwest, man.
27% inside.
Ano?
Ah.
27.
Bridal
Let's
bump
walk, let's
in
walk, let's walk.
southwest.
Sabihan kita kapag
Looking? Are they poking na? Nagulat ako.
Hindi, mounted.
Okay.
Oh. Umaalis sila, going northwest. Going northwest of the Terry.
Fuck, we're far.
Pwede ka pa mag-hit
Yo.
sa loob.
Yeah, no. Walk, just walk.
Ito, northeast sa akin, Alping.
Over the wall northeast. Malayo na.
Wala.
Wala na.
Kanina sa
Hard
ano.
na sila.
Matap.
Nakalangin.
Ay, kutan na.
Ayun na, gusto ko lumipat kay Jenny para lang may... Oh!
Wala na.
Never mind.
Wala na, nakatagas na kay Jenny. Nasa east side na yung blob.
Wala, boy. Open the door.
Pinapasok na sila sa den.
On top. From northwest.
Alas.
Okay. So northwest. Follow me daw. Follow me. Yuzen, you good? Ayun na, nagkakatotoo IRL si Yuzen, par.
Kumakain lang ako. Gutom na ako eh.
Tingi.
Tigisuman kita ng onigiri.
Uy.
Bigyan mo kayo sa yung onigiri ni Zoro, par.
Penge bagong paa.
Uy.
Yung lakad.
Yung takbo. Food review yan.
Kung paano ka nag-food up.
Oh, para ka nag-food up. First food. This is how I used my first food.
First engage.
This is what I did in the first engage. Where are we going?
Nakagil chat lang.
Baka pumunta na ako.
Nese. Bog? Bug? Divide? Abot pa tayo kung divide? No, I think not, sir. Nadal, ikaw ba naggalgal na mag-relax? Tapos mag-AR?
Ano yan? Sorry?
Yung ikaw ba naggagal kay Mav na mag-AR side tayo para sa rank 1 push?
Kinausap ko siya dun. Kasi yun yung natin eh, main timer natin eh.
So ikaw yung naggalgal?
Ano yung galgal? Hindi ko alam
yan.
yung Tagalog ko. Mahina Tagalog ko.
Ikaw yung nag-influence.
Kayo nagsulsul.
Actually, siya yung
Bisaya para yung galgal.
Ikaw ang nagdemonyo. Siya yung nakaisip nun. Nung Pero ang punto ko lang sa kanya, kung gusto niya na, alam mo, naturally motivated yung Zerg niya, hindi pwede na parati lang siya naghahanap ng fights lang, as in pure fight content. Kasi mataas yung size natin eh. Kung mid-scale guild tayo, pwede yon. Kaso kung large scale, sabi ko sa kanya, you have to tie up your fights with important objectives. Para para motivated Zerg mo kahit hindi lahat
Para di
nakakalaban.
ka agad ma-burn out.
May pinaglalaban pa rin lahat, alam mo 'yon. So,
True.
sabi ko sa kanya, tie up your fights with objectives. So, siguro naisip niya 'yon na mag rank 1 push. Tapos ang influence ko sa kanya, sinuggest ko rin yung AR because 14 UTCs are main timer and if you're gonna push rank 1, you need to hold Sanfang Cliffs eh. It's the 14
True.
It's the
Mas malapit
14
sa AR, no?
Yeah. And he needs to have the Q6 maps to support the points generation.
Ay na, layo na boy.
Kasi if you're gonna compete for rank 1, the guild who holds Sanfang Cliffs will be the one who will likely win. All they have to do is hold the Sanfang maps area and they just naturally win the points generation.
Pero do you think na magkaka-conflict sila sa NTR?
May nangyari
Kasi
daw na
kukunin
away
yun Fount di ba?
I mean, sa Fount, pero DBS yung pupuntahan nila Tas wala namang rank 1 na declaration si NTR nagre-rebuild pa sila. So, tama lang na na magkaiba tayong mapa. Kung sa Fount sila, sa Razorak, Sanfang tayo. Naturally, hindi natin isa't isa, kumbaga.
Sana magka-conflict sila para like bloody rank 1 push, dalawang Zerg.
Tingnan natin, si Fakol, nililigawan niya lahat ng posibleng maligawan Kasi next season, baka mag-disband si Chili's. Ang alam ko, nakausap na ni Fakol yung sugar daddy ng All Rise. Pero di ko lang sure kung All Rise mismo yung magpupush or in another guild shell. So, let's see.
May nagsabi na yung All Rise nagma-merge in na sa
Nagmamerge na yung
Tangina.
All Rise.
You are fucking
ba't
kidding
slow
me,
ako?
Sugoy. You
Ba't slow ako?
you
I am
exploded,
dismounted.
brother.
You okay?
GG.
Ano nangyari?
Di na-dismount lang pala ako.
ang alam ko
Akala ko
is-
naglag ako.
Ang alam ko is yung Pluck daw magta-top 1 tapos yung gagawa daw si 1K ng guild tapos sila yung
1K?
yung i-rebuild
Cyril?
nila yung Dato tapos
Dato?
tutulungan daw nila
That too.
tutulungan daw nila yung Pluck tapos sila daw magra-rank
Okay na, where's Pata? Eat Bulaga, sir.
Ganda
let's go.
Labas na natin si Wally Bayola, bro.
EB.
Nagawa lang yung EB para dyan sa mga mayabang na yan
EB, waling bayo. Aso.
2 days pa
Yung ang ingay nila sa FB, gago ginawa ng guild. Anong patay na yung mga vets? Tang ina nyo
Rookie
There's
na
a reason we're
DP.
called vets, sir. Napadisband sila mid-season Solid. Ingay naman
nako.
Eugene, no? Ina. Sige, let them
Hindi,
go.
na-disband lang talaga yun kasi may nagnakaw ng guild.
So dapat sure rebuild din sila. I don't know what's going on, man.
Late na lang ng guild pan sinakaw pa.
Try ko i-chat si Pata. Yo, rebuild daw yung Dato, par. Sheesh. Tapos pangit mo daw.
Sabi mo, tira-trash talk siya.
Tinatrash ka daw. Tapos si Pata pala maging thunder doon, no? Shit!
Baliktad.
puro abang nga lang gagawin nila dun
Mortal enemy naging founder.
Niligawan na nga niya sina Goblin, pati sina
Pero
You
kung
good,
saan
Rambo?
makapag fully revealed yung goblin, di ba kaya ng Pluck? Yan na ng buwa, mga
Di.
bading
Hindi, yung Vua, yan? Magsaside yan kay
What's bad,
Fakol, sure ako.
Buwa,
They're
bading.
talking Pinoy, bro. They're talking Pinoy.
Yeah.
Buwa, bading guild.
Basically, dalawa lang naman option ni Maverick I-keep yung maps natin, tapos mag-push tayo ng HQ sa Razorak area. Or mag-bank from AR. Maganda sa AR, hindi mo mabonk yan Kahit ma-pressure tayo, magandang
true.
staging point pa rin yan
Tapos yan yung strategy sa Rindo, di ba?
yung ginagawa ni
Oo.
Sorindo basically.
One Jin days.
So, kailangan niya din, nandito si Serindo para collect yung Infinity
Oo.
Stones.
Si Parpy, nabuhay na So, ako nabuhay na, si Parpy nabuhay na, Sorindo na lang.
Invite mo na dito. Kaso di kaya magka-conflict, marami kayong color dito.
Yan.
Pero
Ano
iba pa rin yung experience si Sorindo pati alam mo yan.
Hindi naman wala naman off-time caller dito aside kay Maverick na matino.
Oo,
Actually.
kailangan ng caller.
Sabi ko nga kay Nadal mag-call siya
Tingnan
Last
natin.
time na sumali ako sa hindi si Maverick nag-call, ayoko na.
Sumali ako kay Walton, tawa ko ng tawa sa engage niya
Nararover lang kami. Kaya nung walto na yan.
Kabuyo
Ba't
yung
ba't ka iiyak? Ba't ka iiyak?
Hindi nga.
Yung Robin pa
Freebie.
lang.
Kinalaman yun.
Kasama ko pa lang sila Shorty nung unang kasama si Tay, ayoko na Nag-loot na lang sila Shorty.
Gag.
Yan, yung
Ang
state of the
pangit.
game talaga, no? It's kinda weird, sir.
Super weird.
Pinapauso na talaga yung FF.
Nag-FF ata yung Chili's.
Solid na sandbox game, by the way.
Tingnan natin next season kung may open contest rank 1. Pure content yun, puro natural.
Nag-FF to yung Chili's.
Otherwise,
Sa bank.
3 points tayo.
Hindi, kung bobo, i-kick. Rank 1 push eh.
Oo.
Kaya yung VOD mo yun ngayon nga food up, kahit na food up lang yan, gago, i-post mo yan, boy.
Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
To be honest.
Bro, Monk girl hates me, man.
Nauurat din ako dito. Madaming nakapasok na lang.
Why does he hate you, bro? What did he do?
Monk girl doesn't value Bomb Squad VODs.
Tinitingnan ko yung mga ticket. Madaming hindi ko alam.
Sorry na, Prince. Sorry na.
Dapat
minsan
si ano dyan eh. Si
tinatamad
Aga
din ako.
usually yung nag-filter sa mga Pinoy dati.
Kasali pala.
Nag-AFK kasi nag-edit eh.
Walang
Ano?
nakapasok ng si Agay nagbabantay.
Wala nang filtering eh. Maganda yung si
Oh, boy,
Aga,
oh.
sabihin lang no. AFK.
Ayaw lang
Nag-live
maglaro.
lang, ano?
Tinatamad
Ano?
lang siya.
Tinamad.
Kasi
Nagbabalaran.
wala naman siyang ibang
Yes.
lalaro maliban Valorant.
Take outpost,
Some-
naka-range tayo kamo, gago.
Wala na naman
Yeah, we
kailangan,
should.
diba?
Counter outpost.
Uwi na ako.
Tapos
Wala na yung laban.
Someone's coming though? Wait, I'm just
busy.
gonna I'm just gonna reason out something, okay? I don't want this outpost thing. What's my reason? Maverick, I'm Ranger. There's more skill here. I can't fight. I come back to you, okay?
Tapos pinapunta yung second party, no?
Wala
Tangina,
ka
wag.
tao doon.
Uy, nanoob top ka, pare.
Ang ina. Fuck. Antok na ako, boss. Pluck coming daw. Let's go. Tangina,
Please.
what's Pluck gonna do? It's 3 minutes, man.
Ang ina.
Hindi yan sa punta. Friendly fight sila with Chili's.
Ayun, sa kakasabi lang sa comms.
Nag-start na yung friendly fight nila.
Oh,
Fake yan, fake.
Fake
start
news.
na. Nasa bank yung FF. Razorrock Bank ang FF nila.
Kaya pala kontento lang din Chili's, no? Sa mga ganitong slave work. Kasi if di pala gun,
Yung
di tayo pupunta, FF na sila.
rank 1 lang naman talaga habol yung skin eh. Yun lang yun.
Yun lang talaga.
Yun
Yeah, but okay.
Nila.
Wait. Oh, I think it's real, bro.
Wait lang. Let me...
Of course.
Yes.
Dismount here, dismount here, dismount
Tapos
on
na
me,
daw.
dismount on me, dismount on me, dismount on me, dismount.
Tapos na. Tapos
Copy.
na. Natapos lang.
Wing bleh.
Ang laki ah.
Hold
Tapos na tayo,
on.
paper
Stuck on me. Yeah, ready, Nortis. Walk. Ready, catch, Nortis. Terry, wait. Come back. Ready, Southeast. Okay, ready, Southeast. Hold there. Shotty. Back to voice. Ready, South. Yes.
May small blobs sa northwest natin. Angel.
Gotcha.
33 sila, 33. 39 tayo.
Okay.
Alay.
Wala na sumilip sa sabay.
Wait. Yo, Southeast gate. Ready, potion. 5, 4, 3, 2. What the fuck? Di tayo abot. Come back. They mount up. What the fuck? Come north. Okay. Yo, stuck on me, jacket.
Popping second.
Walk. Wait.
East side, abot mo.
Wait.
Wait lang, 2 screens.
Kaya
East
umanggulo
ko,
ko muna.
East ko na.
Yeah.
East ka
Come
dito.
back, south. Follow me. Stuck on me. Yo, east over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East
Ay,
over the wall.
after G.
Ayun na, sino?
Puta.
Bliat. Was that RJ?
Jacket 3. Okay, Rocker.
Sa batay.
Hindi sa atin. Ready,
So, patayin
jacket
niyo
4.
iyon.
Jacket 4, jacket 4. Kahil nga, racing.
Okay.
That was not me. 44? 44?
34 lang sila.
Okay, okay.
Nasira na yung ano. Banner.
Banner. Tangina, nag-OC si Maverick. Sira na yung... Wait.
17
Wait.
yun.
We
Clear
OC.
mouse, clear. Kiss on the OC. Ready, straight. Come, stuck on me here. Yo, east. Okay, straight east over the wall. 5.
Wait. May bamboo na. May bamboo
After
na.
this, east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East right now. Hit east. And come back.
First jacket.
Come southwest more. Come south. Stuck on me here in jackets. First jacket.
Popping second.
They have J Brim though? Huh? Am I hearing it right? Come to me here.
Hindi naman tayo may
You guys have potion?
Eh.
You guys have...
Pwede kang mag-dip kung gusto mo. Northeast.
Yeah, you guys have potion though. That's a question.
Yeah, Pero,
Yo, just look for the witchwork northeast. Okay, ready? Potion northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 northeast. Come back. Potion and come back.
Third,
Just
third.
potion. Heal the boys. Come back. Nice.
Third
Maverick
jacket.
going southeast.
Come to me.
Be careful, balls.
Oh my god, this wall is scary shit. Pass. Come to me.
Fourth jacket.
Check. Oh my god, he's walking.
Papasok na siya.
Someone
Yo, can we go
open the wall.
northwest here? No. There's a flank. Come back. Come here.
Hindi, walang flank.
Isang
Okay,
isang tank lang yan.
come southwest. Hug the southwest side. Okay.
North,
Northwest. Reach northwest over the wall. 5, 4,
Wait lang, mag-engage
Three.
muna.
1. Sige lang. Headbutt it.
Okay.
Fuck.
I mean, yung
Come
kape,
back.
I mean.
Nagano tayo.
Yung kape.
Come east. Come east. Jacket while we're walking.
Yes,
East. Position ourselves east. Come to me east.
Second jacket.
Outside. Come southeast. Yo. Wait. Yo, we go outside northeast and ready northwest. Okay, walk. Northeast and then northwest. Walk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest.
Getting hit by
Good shit.
the north side, okay?
Come back. Potions. Heal the boys. Come southwest.
Third jacket.
Come inside. Nice heals.
Nadibol ka na.
Come to me. Be healthy. Full healthy here.
Fourth jacket.
Just focus on
Uy,
that.
meron
Focus
west
on that.
meron
Focus on-
west.
I got you.
Ay,
Chill
hindi,
south.
pabalik na.
Okay. Come west.
Wait lang.
Wait. We're gonna pass through Maverick here. Okay, wait.
lang,
Nagigit siya
wait
ba
lang.
yung northwest?
Hindi pa.
Di pa.
Sabihan
Wait.
kita. Si Fakol nasa northwest.
Got you. Stuck on me.
Wait lang,
We're gonna hit
wag
northwest
muna.
deep, okay? Okay.
Nag-play safe si Fakol. Nag-play safe siya.
How many bombs does he have?
2.
Melee, all melee, right?
Pulling sila
Ano,
North. Pulling sila North.
Yung mage
Pero
nasa
si Fakol,
southeast ng tower.
Okay. Just wait. Yo, we can
lang.
northeast and the
After
northwest
call,
again. We
ingat ka.
can northeast and the northwest outside. It's okay. Ready. Wait. Northeast and the northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Oh my god, I missed. Come southwest.
First jacket.
Inside. Trill, your advanced positioning, I think, is kinda making them spread.
Sa atin lang nakatingin yung Orsay na.
Second jacket.
Ingat kayo sa...
Sa atin naka-engage yung nakatingin yung?
Sa atin nakatingin yung
Dalawang
nandun sa east.
Okay. Boys. Trust? You have pots?
Go!
Princeton, come back now. Princeton, come back.
5 seconds.
No pots.
No pots? No pots. But we have Jesus.
Yeah, Jesus.
Oh shit.
Stuck on me. Hold me. Wait.
Loki Puleonyo.
So,
They're
gusto
gonna
mo
counter. They might
mag-west?
counter. No. We're gonna pass through our Zerg and we're gonna pray they're gonna save us. Okay, ready? Potion. Ready? Northwest. 5. Northwest deep. 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Fakol. Kill Fakol. Oh no! Come back.
Come back na.
Third
Come back.
jacket.
Take second food. Eat second food.
Where's the mage
Yeah.
right now? Second foot.
Fourth
The
jacket.
mage is on... palabas sila. Lumalabas sila. Tumatakas sila. Kinakas siya.
Can we go outside northeast? Come northeast. Yo, we're outside northeast, okay?
Sa labas na ng Terry.
Sige. Walk. Catch northwest
Sige lang.
again. Just walk.
Nag-hold lang sila dito. Pwede ka mag-circle around.
Okay, northwest and then southwest,
Oo.
okay? Northwest and then southwest.
Malaki to.
Walk. Northwest and then southwest. 5,
Northwest.
4,
Now na.
3,
West.
2, 1. West.
Straight west.
Hit.
Nice one, boys!
Good shit. Come back. Jacket fast. Heal the boys. And we're gonna go back again.
Wait,
We're gonna go back again.
pinaplat
We're gonna go
sila.
back.
Two din
We're
ako
gonna go back again. Heal the boys. Come south east.
Go,
No. CD. Come south east.
Pila.
Yo, they're mounting. I'm outside.
Sila Wander yan. Joko yun.
Come south east. Enemies outside daw. Come southeast. Ready southwest. Walk inside. Come inside. Come southwest. Yo, jeepney. Yo. No, west over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fuck all. West. Hit. Fuck. Shibal. Come back east. Outside.
Northeast
spicy.
may
No.
pating. Hindi, wait lang, joke kayo ba yun?
Okay. Chill the boys.
Ah.
Hilo boys, come southwest. He's spicy. Come southwest.
Fort jacket.
Chill.
Fuck all northwest, okay?
Okay. Yo, boys.
Fort jacket.
Wait. Which side of the tower? Yo, straight north. 5 on a skull. 4, 3, 2, 1. Skull. Hit. Nice. Fuck all dead. Come south. Push. Reflecting. Come southeast.
Gala inside.
Hiran.
Pull right up.
Hilap lang.
Come north.
Galaran.
Wait, come back south. Wait.